Hello friends, this is me, the Frizexto. So from today, as I have started my channel, so I hope that you like this video. So please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, the Frizexto. I hope you give me a great support. So today, as you can see behind me, there are a lot of armors that you have never seen before. I have not installed a mod. They have been generated just naturally into the Minecraft game. As you know that Minecraft has been so much popular, so I thought that how about if I make a video of the Minecraft. I think that it would be a great idea. So let us check out all of these armors. Let's see which armor is this. Familiarly, it looks like a stone armor. Yes, it's it. The thing I thought is it. I am at creative, so as you can see me, that how am I looking? It's just great, and we cannot camouflage through this. Alright, now let me put it back. Let me throw this because we don't need it. Go, shoot. Let's see which is this. Polished granite. It gives us 3 armor. But I have been wearing this armor. Stupid me. Alright, let's apply this. It gives us 3 armor and I look a lot pinkish, a great color that I don't like. Alright, let's move to the other. Let me throw this. Whoosh! And throw this also. Not throw, I would keep it in my inventory. And what about this? This is granite. Oh, alright. So let me wear this. I look a lot rough in this granite armor. So it also gives us 3 armor. So let me throw this away and put this back into my inventory.
Like always, push.
Let me throw this. Let me. Oh, come on. Let me make a hole without lava. Let us throw this. It has been a lot time doing this. I love the granite helm armor, so I wouldn't throw that. I would keep one. Let me put it back because this is literally a map that I am using. Now let us throw it into the trash bin we just made. Alright, let's try the next one. Which one is this? Oh, diorite. Looks a lot familiar to iron because it gives 3 armor each. So I look like I am wearing a iron armor. So let us throw this also. I'm on creative, that's why I'm throwing. Else who would throw a diorite armor for free. Let us see the polished diorite. Oh, it also gives me, oh come on, I forgot about that. Alright guys, this is making me work a lot, so if you want the another part of this video, so you better should like. How about 50 likes for another part? I hope that you guys would do it. 50 or maybe 25 likes, and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. This cow just ruined my line. I would not spare this. Don't report to YouTube that I am humiliating cows. I killed her, ha ha ha. Alright guys, as I have done 5 of these, so in the next video I would do 5 of these also. I hope that you liked my video. Share this video to everyone and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.